Hi, today we're looking to convert a Notion form into PDF files. As you can see, I'm going to convert this form 1040ES into PDF files. So once the user fills in all the details in this particular form and they click on submit, the responses will come under the responses view in the database. I already have added two responses from the particular form, and now I'm looking to convert these responses into PDF files. So what we can do is we will be using a tool known as PDF output. This will help us create PDFs on automation from Google document with the help of a Notion database. You can create anything such as reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, or even quotations directly from a Notion database with the help of this tool. The document is where we will be preparing our template file, and the database is where all the content will be stored, which will be converted to PDFs. Click on Create PDF and let's quickly sign in, and then we will understand all the automation process that needs to follow. So I will quickly sign in over here, and then we will see how the automation will work step by step. First thing which we need to do is we need to add the Notion database which we have over here. So I'll be using this database as an example. So I'll be connecting this database inside the selection window. Click on Add Notion Database and simply add the database that you already have. Okay. So let me copy this database title, and I'll be adding this database inside the selection window. So let me click on Select Pages and let me put inside the Search Pages field, and I will be able to add the same over here. Okay. So I'll just click on this, and the form automatically gets added for my selection. Now, if you are looking to add a database, always enter the database inside the search pages and then add it. Do not add the database by selecting these top level pages from this list. If you do that, the experience will not be smooth and the database may not be added correctly. Okay, so always put the database inside the search pages and then only add it. Alongside this, if your database is connected with other relational properties, so let's say this database is connected with database A and database B, I also need to add database A and database B inside the search pages so that the PDF file which will be created will have all the relation and roller properties intact. Okay. Otherwise, the relation and roller properties will not appear on the PDF file created. Having considered all of this, let's click on Allow Access, and now I will get access to the form 1040ES, which will be converting to PDFs. It takes a while to load the database, so please have some patience while it is loading the database, and you will certainly be able to see the particular form appear over here. If it is not appearing, click on Reload Database or try to refresh the page once or twice. The database will definitely appear over here. Okay. The next step is adding the document for this. So click on Add Google Document. If you already have the form 1040 document available on your drive, click on Existing Document and add the document from the list of documents already available. I do not have any document available, so I will simply go with a demo document. If I choose a demo document, it automatically creates me a sample document with all the placeholders automatically mapped. So if you closely observe, it has already created me all these placeholders which have automatically been mapped over here one after the other. Okay, so every field of detail that you see over here has automatically been added, and all the fields have automatically been tagged right over here. So anything that you see inside double curly brackets will be replaced with the values from the database, and they will be generated one after the other. Okay, so as an example, estimated reductions will be fetched from estimated reductions, and then they will be replaced into PDF files. Okay, so all these placeholders will be mapped to the database, and then they will be replaced with the values from the database. If you want to manually add any property, click on copy. So let's say I want to add estimated income. Click on copy. It will copy the estimated income. Go to the document and simply use Control V or Command V, and it will automatically paste the property onto the document. So anything that you want to add, simply click on copy and add it onto the document anywhere you wish to add. You can use Control V or Command V on a keyboard to copy paste the property onto the document. So my mappings are already done, so I do not need to map any more field any further as it is already mapped. I need to define the PDF file name for this. Okay, so I can choose any particular column which I want to use to define the PDF file name. So I will select received by field, and my PDF file will be created as per this particular name. Okay, so let's click on download PDF, and now my PDF file will be directly downloaded onto this particular database. All the files will be downloaded under the PDF file column, and anything that you mark as ready to generate will be converted into PDFs right over here. Okay, so make sure you are setting it as ready to generate whenever the PDF is created. So we just created two PDF file, and these two columns were added when we just set up the database. This was not present earlier. Okay, so let's click on the file to see how the output has come out to be, and you can see all the files have automatically been mapped to the placeholder values. So all the placeholders that we had added earlier have automatically been mapped with the database, and then they have been created over here. The best part of the tool is once everything works correctly, click on Setup Motion Automation, and then this will automate the process of generating PDF forever, which means you do not need to go back to PDF output and set up everything from scratch to create PDFs. The moment a user clicks on submit and a new entry comes up over here, simply mark it as ready to generate and the PDF will directly get created over here. This makes the process error-free and effortless, and it works 24/7, 365 days to create the PDF. As soon as you put a record as ready to generate, the PDF gets created right inside the database. So this eliminates the necessity to use PDF output tool to set up everything from scratch to create a PDF, as everything happens live inside the database and the PDF file is created for a use case. I hope this demonstration was clear and helpful to you. If you still have any questions left, use the chat bubble at the bottom of the section. Send me a message with your queries on this, and I'll be able to address the same. You even have an option to reach out to me through the contact window at the bottom of the page, where you will be able to send an email to me with any queries on this, and I'll be able to address the same as well. You can go with a free demo session where I'll be guiding you step by step on how to